Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to create affiliate pages with ConvertPages AI. So when you first log in, you're going to see a dashboard. It's going to look exactly like this. All you need to do is click on New Page. You can choose a squeeze page or a bridge page. For this example, I'm going to choose a squeeze page. And you've got lots of different templates that you can choose from here. So I'm just going to choose one of these. I'm going to use this one here because that looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose an affiliate offer to use for this page. So here we are in the clickbait marketplace. I'm going to use the smoothie diet here. This is the page. As you can see, it looks really, really good. Great page, so weight loss offer. You can use this for any niche, any offer, anything that you like, any page that you like. It will work with ConvertPages AI. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go and grab this URL real quick like this. Copy this, come back over into ConvertPages AI, give it a name. Smoothie diet. I'm going to paste that in there and we're going to hit generate. And what this is going to do, this is going to create a page for us. It's going to create all the copy for us. So you don't need to worry about any of that stuff. As you can see here, it's done all of this here. It's created our page for us, all populated so that it matches up the odd morning ritual that melts fat while you sleep. It's a pretty good, description for this offer here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add an image. Grab this one, I'm going to paste that one just in there like that, so it looks really good. Now what we're going to do is going to integrate our autoresponder, which is really, really easy to do this. So you come down here to autoresponders, get response Aweber or any autoresponder that you use. I'm just going to use Aweber. It's going to integrate with that. That's absolutely done. It's all done, finished. Now what we can do here, we can change this avatar. I'm just going to choose a female avatar here. That one looks pretty good. Give this a name. Give it Jodie Fletcher. There you go. Everything's ready to go. Now, when you come in here, if you don't want to collect the name and email, you can literally just switch that off. Just come in here, you can switch that off. It's all good to go. So now I'm going to hit publish, give this a name, Smoothie Diet, publish this, and then we're going to go and have a look at this up on the web. So as you can see, this is the page all done for us, completely optimized, ready to go. In less than 3 minutes, you can have one of these pages up online or working for you in your affiliate business.